guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while, but you know what, your girl's been busy prepping all the other Instagrams, which are all up and live now, so yay. I'll leave those in the description if you guys want to peep all the activities that I've been doing. But today, you've read the title, you've seen the thumbnail, we are unboxing some shoes, because if I don't have enough shoes already, I needed to add some more. So I was at work today and my papa called me and he's like, hey, this big box showed up. It's got a giant thing called Milanoo on the side. And so here we are with the big box. I'm very excited. These shoes took about a month to ship out, but once they actually shipped, it was surprisingly very quick. So that was the good part. I like to keep that part to put with my finance stuff. Okay, let's get in this. So these shoes I actually got because of a TikTok that Nava Rose did. I think that's how you pronounce it, or maybe it's Nava Rose, which I'll put up right here, a little clip of it. And I was like, oh my gosh, those are everything. Those are like the perfect platform shoes. So I hopped onto their website and they were having a sale. So they were still really expensive and I'm not rich. So I only got 3 pairs and the shipping was so expensive. I'm hoping in the future, maybe they can like make shipping a little more affordable, because it was like almost $100 of shipping. So just a heads up, these are an investment if you decide to go for it. And I'm really hoping the size fits, because like, that is the tea. Okay, we open it up and we have some nice packaging. We like that. A nice, can I even get it all in the picture? You can kind of see it. There we go. It's got their thing. I'm gonna have to put this on the ground. This is too much going on right now. Let's put this on the ground. Okay, so we've got a little Hello Spring. Oh, a membership. Okay, that is a little coupon for moi. And then we have, oh, it's literally a bubble mailer that's empty and they just used it to put on top maybe as a cushion. That's actually awesome because I can reuse this to mail back, or maybe this is a return slip. I don't think I'm gonna return these though if they fit. However, if they don't, that's another story, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. So I got 3 pairs of the exact same shoe. Haters gonna hate, but I'm gonna be great. So this is them. So they all come in like this material type thing, which I use actually in my, oh my gosh, these are stunning. Oh my goodness. Look at that platform. Of course I picked the white pair first to show, which is like just bouncing the light right now, but oh my goodness, they're stunning. There's not a single thing wrong with them. But yeah, I use this to put delicate things in as packaging. So I do like to keep those. I try to reuse everything in packages like these so that, you know, saving the earth. I do also use the cardboard boxes for storage, but then I also got these boots in yellow and in pink. So I'm gonna take them out of the packaging and then let's talk about them. Also, okay, like I kind of planned this because I knew it was in the box, but like, these all match my outfit. Oh my gosh, I literally can't. I'm gonna put them right here. They are kind of that plasticky, like almost like a raincoat material. I'm trying to think of the word and it's not coming to me right now. The soles are protected right now with a little layer of plastic, which is really cool. I see a lot more companies doing that so that the soles aren't wrecked right away, which is amazing, but I literally can't. Oh my gosh, these are stunning. Like the stitching is phenomenal. Oh, I can't get over the platform. Okay, I have no problems with the quality of these shoes at all. I mean, like just looking at them and inspecting them, they're fabulous. I mean, like, look at the heel. So I think the next thing we need to do is a little try on music montage. So let's go. OMG, I am obsessed with these boots. So literally the perfect platform. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It makes my legs look so nice. I can really understand why Nava Rose decided to go all in and get the other colors, because you know, your girl's actually thinking about that now too. Now keep in mind, like I mentioned earlier, they are a little pricey. So I did get them on sale, but I got them on sale for like 110 US, and I didn't realize it was US because I had my currency set to Canadian. But when I was charged, and I'm like, oh, that's a lot more than what it said. So just a heads up, if you're changing the currency, expect it might be more, because I don't think the website was properly doing the currency exchange. So anyways, so yeah, do the exchange and weep for me. And then the shipping itself was also like 110. So that's the tea, and that's probably why my credit card company phoned me up saying, hey, did you do this? And I was like, no, and it was like a whole thing. But anyways, these boots, oh my gosh, and I'm obsessed that they go with my outfit that I'm wearing, or that I was wearing in the video. I love them so much. I am excited to, hopefully, I don't think I'm gonna get them right away, but if they go on sale again, I am definitely gonna snatch up the blue, the light pink, and the black pair, because you know, you need options for your outfits, right? Like, if you like something, I will not judge if you get it in multiple colors. Like, you live your life, you do you, boo. I think you'll look great. I will leave the links for all of these in the description below. Another thing that I really liked also, I should just mention quickly, one, the zipper had like the fold, so it's not just like zipper on your skin, because I was a little nervous. But the inside is actually like almost like a soft sweatpant material. Like it's fuzzy on the inside, which is really nice, so it's not like plasticky on your legs on the inside, which was amazing and fantastic. But OMG, I am obsessed with these boots. Catch me wearing them 24/7. I love them. Alright guys, well that is it for this cheeky little unboxing shoe video. I will leave all the links for the shoes in the description below. And of course, feel free to check out my TikTok, where I'm going to be doing more behind the scenes and a lot more short styling videos over there. So that will be in the description as well. But that is all I have for you guys this time. I love you a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!